Hi, I'm Jeff Brazil with the online programs from the University of Arkansas. In this chat, you will hear from Melody Miller, the Assistant Director of Marketing from the College of Engineering. Melody is going to talk about our graduate certificates in Engineering Management Analytics. Hello, Melody. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Jeff. Glad to be here.
We're very excited to have you here. Could you kind of talk a little bit about the Engineering Management Analytics graduate certificate?
I can, absolutely. So it is a 4-course series that is part of our program. And engineering management analytics is really about using the power of data. It's data and insights to support those engineering projects, to assess costs, to assess success, and really learn at the highest level how to lead those projects.
Oh, wow. That's really awesome. With this graduate certificate, can you use that towards a master's degree?
You can. That is the most exciting part. So some students will use that as a jumping off point to kind of test out the program and have the credential stand by itself. But the very best part is they can take that credential and apply it to their master's program should they decide to go for the full engineering management master's degree or operations management master's degree. Either of those will accept it.
That's great. That's great news.
Absolutely.
That's really awesome. Well, Melody, we want to thank you for your time today and thank you for spending time with us to talk about these great certificates.
Thank you so much.
All right. And thank you for watching. And if you have any questions and are interested in any of our online programs offered, you can visit our website or the contact information that is listed on this video. Have a great day, and remember, go Hogs.